Starch. What is starch? A starch is a carbohydrate that can naturally be found in many grains and vegetables, such as wheat, potatoes, rice, beans, and many more. It is a polysaccharide that is formed by units of glucose and is responsible for the storing of energy of plants and source for sugar of animals. How does it differ from the cellulose? The main thing that the starch is different to the cellulose is that all of its glucose of starch repeat units and oriented in the same direction. Meanwhile, the cellulose, each successive glucose unit is rotated 180 degrees. And now, I am going to have a home laboratory experiment on the iodine test for the starch solutions. The first thing that we should do is to gather all our necessary materials. First is the water. Second is our two kinds of starch, which is, I have here, a corn starch and the flour. The iodine, we have a brand, Iodine. So the next thing that we should do will be using disposable cups, and we will transfer the water into both of the disposable cups. So, this will what it looks like if you drop a betadine or an iodine on a water solution. It has a color yellow. The next thing that we should do is to put an amount of starch solution, the first starch, which is the corn starch, to our water. And mix it up. Make it dissolved. Then the other one, the flour. Now, we will put drops of iodine to our starch solution, and this will look like. Mix. Now, it has a blue or purple in color. Now, for the other solution, let us drop iodine onto the solution. And this will it look like. It has a color violet. And that will be the end of our home laboratory experiment. This is what an iodine solution in water. This is what it looks like as an iodine test on starch solution for cornstarch and for flour. So, the basis of the development of our purple color of the result of our experiment today was mainly because of the amylase of the starch. The iodine molecules slips through the coil of the amylase of the starch, which makes a linear triiodide complex ion, which is soluble, that slips through the inside or the coil of the starch, which becomes the basis of this purple color of the results of our experiment this day. I guess that would be all. Thank you for watching. This is Correspondent F. Juanilio signing off.